made it after about 5 hours. No, it's not taking us 5 hours. What? 4. 4 hours.
Quick.
Wow, time flies when you're having fun. You excited?
Very excited.
Give us a smile if you're excited. Going to the airport. We're going down. I'm excited that we're not even flying yet.
Level 1.
Ready to get our reaction? Oh, is this it? Oh my god, it actually is. We're starting the trip to New York off right. Have you ever seen it with Sofitel? So we are actually very close to the airport. We have lights. Oh, for a minute I feel like I had my backpack. No, I didn't. For a minute I was like...
Backpacking flying.
Not my backpack. Backpacking Bryony is ready for a backpacking trip. Oh, fancy, fancy. Ooh. I'm amazed just from the hotel. It's quite a long way away though, isn't it? This is fancy, fancy. They've got shops here. Kingdom of Sweets. I wonder if they're open. It's like a shopping centre. Where are we going? Ground? Reception. Here it is.
Here comes the room reveal.
Do the honours. Actually, but do.
Heavy door.
Is it nice?
It's a bit bougie.
Is it? It's a bit of a heavy door. Oh my gosh, there's chocolates. Can we pop the lights on?
Up.
Bear with. Yay! Oh my gosh, should we do a room tour? Wow. Look. See, this is what annoyed me when he said downstairs. He called you Mr. Burns.
He did call me.
Right, and on this bit of paper it says, Dear Mr. Burns. I'm a miss. I booked it. I'm not a mister.
Gazer.
Fuming. Alex, it's room tour time. We've done a little dart. So, over here we have... Oh, I didn't know it was a mirror. Smile.
Teas.
Teas. What's this? Breakfast. Oh, menu. Teas. Biscuit. There's only one packet though. I'll have to have those. A bin. Oh, that's a desk. Oh, it's a bath, Alex. Oh, we've got a shower. What else? Towels. There's a robe. Is there just one? I'm having that. Why is there only one? What's this? Soap. Shaving kit. Vanity kit. Oh, I can't put it back. This is cute. There's a phone in here. Why would you call them when you're sitting on the toilet? This is a pretty nice bathroom. It's very big. I don't think I've ever stayed in a bathroom this big. Look, you got yourself a robe. We've got slippers. There's a safe. Oh, this is a fridge.
Oh, we've got water.
Bottle of water. Ooh, it's a nice bottle of water. Safe. What's this? Storage. Mirror. Bed. Oh, what's this over here?
Oh, it's comfy.
Oh, sorry. Is it comfy?
It is.
This bed looks smaller. This is probably the biggest hotel room we've ever been in. We've got a TV, massive desk, another mirror. Mirror. Another phone. This room's massive. Chair. Let's give this a test.
Some chocolates.
Oh gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh, it spins. Just me in the chair.
I'll have half.
You tucking in now?
Yeah.
Go on and give it a bite. Do a little taste test. What is it? What would you rate it out of 10?
That's a solid 9 now.
9?
It's like grasping an apple or something.
Oh. Go on, try the next one.
I like little cakes. Oh, nice.
What would you rate it?
10.
10? What's the flavour?
Both apple. They both taste like apple. This one's obviously chocolate.
Well, I hope so. What is it? Chocolate?
Mm-hmm. That's a 10 as well.
10. So just that one's a 9.
Mm.
I'm going to try the chocolate one. Is it actually good?
It's actually good.
Mmm. It's dark chocolate, isn't it?
That's good.
Mm. And what's this one? Oh.
It's like apple sort of.
Here, you have that. I'm not going to like that texture.
Got the same texture as the other one.
You can have it. So good. I like that chocolate one. So this is pretty much the room tour.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's another bit down here. Oh no, it's just a bit of paper. Why is there like 3 phones in here? But yeah. This is the Sofitel if you ever want to stay here in Heathrow. I think we should go out and get food.
I think so. Got to have
What would you
Maybe
rate
lunch.
this hotel room so far? Although we haven't stayed in the bed yet, we'll have to rate that in the morning.
So far, it's a 10.
10.
This might come back.
What about for the price?
I think it's pretty good for the price you get.
Considering, is this the airport here?
Considering-
Is this the airport?
That's like the way we came in.
Oh my gosh, that's literally the way we came. That is mad to think we just walked past that. Basically, it's connected, isn't it?
Yeah, for a room that costs 20k.
20k? No, it didn't. It's £230. Is that a lot of money? They've given us some chocolate, but it's not like... For one night in London, actually, no, it's good. In London.
I actually think if you ever go to a Hilton, it's not far off the Hilton.
I guess so. I think because it's in London, that's why it's more, but like, on like a general hotel thing, I don't think it's anything special. I'm not gonna lie. Downstairs looks a bit more fancier. But I'm gonna have a cup of tea. I do like this bathroom though. I don't think we've ever stayed.
Smell this hand soap. Hand sanitizer from me.
What do they put on you? Who
Well, I
put it
could
on you?
use a hand sanitizer with essentially it smells nice.
It does. I thought you said they put it on you. I was like, who have you been there?
They bought it dirty.
You dirty boy. But you've just lost your train pass. Another mirror. We love a mirror. Don't we? We're going to New York tomorrow!
Wait,
You're not jumping up and down?
we're in New York.
Yeah!
You didn't tell me that. I thought we were going to Barnsley.
No, you.
Ruined my day then.
But yeah, this is the room tour.
Shotgun this side.
Yeah, alright.
I want these pillows at home.
Is it that good?
They're that good.
Oh my god, that was a lot harder than I thought. Oh my gosh, look at this. Hi, we're gonna go get food. I'm hungry, Alex.
Yeah.
And then we've got to have an early night. We're going to New York.
Then we get the flight to Barnsley.
No, we get the flight to New York.
Oh, no, the difference. We just pretend that we're in Barnsley, and then we just say it looks just like New York.
Now I'm excited. Are you excited now?
I am excited.
Yes. Come on in, let's go get food. I'm hungry.
Why don't we do that?